Welcome to my channel.
Can you believe that with just a bit of yarn and a few minutes, you can make your own adorable bow hair clip? In this video, I'll guide you step by step to create this cute accessory. If you love sweet and easy handmade ideas, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. We use a red yarn and make a slip knot. Start the bow body by making 2 chains. Work 2 single crochets into the second chain from the hook. Turn the piece, make 1 single crochet in the first stitch and 2 single crochets in the next stitch. From here, work back and forth with 3 single crochets in each row for 14 rows. Next, decrease 1 stitch, single crochet 2 together, and work 1 single crochet in the remaining stitch. Continue working 2 single crochets per row for 2 rows. Then, work 1 single crochet, increase 1 stitch, 2 single crochets in the same stitch, to return to 3 stitches. Work 14 rows of 3 single crochets each. Decrease 1 stitch, then make 1 single crochet in the next stitch. In the last row, decrease again to 1 stitch, Cut the yarn and weave in the ends. To make the flower edging, change yarn color and start from the bow's edge. Chain 3, skip 1 stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch. Repeat this pattern around the edge until the round is complete. Fasten off and weave in the ends. Wrap this tie around the center of the bow. Pull tight to form the gathers, sew the ends securely on the back, and weave in the yarn tails. Your crochet bow is now complete! Adjust the shape, straighten the edges, and fluff the loops so it looks neat and even. You can attach it to hair clips, headbands, clothing, or use it as a decorative accent on bags, gifts, and more. Enjoy your beautiful handmade piece! Thank you for watching. Have fun making your own beautiful bow.